Good morning, everyone, and welcome to you in this daily update on the Bitcoin and the Alts. As always, hope you're all doing very well. How are you doing? It's pretty cool to be back. So just gonna pop out the chat here after a few days off, really, if we can say that, with no update. Well, I was supposed to record some videos, but you know, I've got some internet issue, and so well, I wasn't able to record any videos, really. I mean, I was able to record, but not to upload a video, so that's a bit of a problem. Anyways, just gonna error, you need to change the video resolution. Well, normally it should be working well. It looks like, I think. Yeah. Normally it's working well. Yes, same for me. Glad to be back too. And glad to see you here again. Welcome back, mate. So yeah, Bitcoin. Well, it's pretty cool. We are doing the rise, you know? Like, I'm live, bam, it's rising. This is pretty crazy. Look at this. It's pretty cool. So we're going to see what we can expect next really on Bitcoin. We've got an invalidation on the weekly time frame, but for me it's still okay, to be honest. Yeah, until really invalidate the lower time frame. But first of all, before to look for the waves and to look at the waves here, we're going to talk about the levels. So I updated this really quickly yesterday before to go to sleep, because I came back yesterday night. So it's not too long really for you. Time to update this really. Otherwise today it will have been so long. So daily level, weekly. I can't remember if I did weekly. We are Monday, right? I'm lost in the days already. Yes, we're Monday. Yes, I'm stupid, we're Monday. Okay, so here, bam, we have so one weekly above. Let's take oh, and by the way, the main computer is wait, that was a weekly, yeah. Is being fixed. Because yeah, I took a bit of a break, you know, on the main computer. I was like, yeah, it's just so buggy right now. Gonna leave it simply. And so I did took a bit of a break on this computer, and so now it's being fixed normally. So weekly done, daily. No, it's good. And so the weekly is here. Okay, let's take this and bring it here. Bam, levels. Alright, so now let's go on this. There are no weekly naked points of control. Daily naked path control. Well, I have something interesting for Bitcoin right now, with some FIP time and stuff like this. Didn't got so much time to check at Bitcoin. I mean, that's a chart really, but yeah, we'll see. So no naked session. Okay, well, there is nothing to update here otherwise, so it's done really. So in terms of resistance, we can of course pull the fixed range, yes, from the top to the bottom here, and we can so use this path control value low. So this was the first resistance here. We now managed to yeah, so now we went through, so we can look really for the path control. If we start breaking this path control and really get acceptance above, we can look normally more likely here for this value high minimum. And again, so this is the next target. If of course we don't do a complex level approach, or for example we go above, you know, we break through, we flip into support, we fake the pump, so we go and take that top, and then we come back down and do this, for example. This can be a complex level approach to trade. Normally in that case we should get absorption on the top and then get a good short reaction. And if you don't get it on the top, well, you normally should get it on the retest next. So you drop, retest, get the bearish traction, come back down. So if there is nothing like that, we can simply look for the value high. And again, if there is no bearish reaction in this, we can look simply for, bam, a new high more likely to be made. Yes, there is a DNPOC and a naked session path control, but well, well, a new high here will be better. I'm not going to lie. So these are the two main resistance. Okay, bam, and oops, here. This right here in between will be simply for a complex level approach on this first target, really. Okay. And if we start breaking above, we can look simply for the high levels we have planned there, because we've got, if you remember good, a rejection from, no, from the first resistance we have planned. Materials update. Where is this? Yeah, so it was that this resistance there. So it was a swing through panel at top with the path control really and the monthly negative path control. So we went into this first target. From here I get a rejection. So the first target got rejected. That's pretty cool. And so yeah, from here we've got the retrace, and I didn't post anything about. Yeah, I posted normally here. Yeah, there we go. With the targets on the retrace. So if you was not, for example, on the Discord server, you wanted to stay updated, well, you could absolutely. All of this is free, really. You don't have to pay anything to access and unlock all these channels. So yeah, anyways. Yeah, no, if we push hard on this, so if we go above, we can look simply for just gonna. This isn't well placed. Well, it's the same, really. Yeah, okay, so if we cannot remove this, by the way. If we now push above, okay, if we manage to break these two resistance, we can simply look for, bam, this, well, red square we have planned above, really, okay. So we have the 618, 66%, well, this is the 618, 66%, really, we can look for if you don't want to add too much stuff there. Otherwise, this is the path control of the full range, plus the value area high of this downtrend, and if we still get acceptance above here, well, we can look for this weekly negative path control, okay, that will be again for a big failed auction of these tops there, or a big swing through pine depending if we just do a week, for example, above. But otherwise, the best will be to go really for this value high minimum, and even for the top of the range, really. Okay, so this is the next target. If we manage to break the top, if we don't get any swing through pan or failed auction above, as always, we can look for this value high, and if we break this value high, more likely a new all-time high to be made. Okay, simple as that, really. So these are the resistance we can look for. We are going to plan the targets above, even, well, we already did it before, but anyways. Now to the downside, well, we have only one support, only one here, that is, so the 618 is 86%, plus the value low, okay, of the previous downtrend, plus the bottom of the range, really, okay. So this was the third support of this retracement we have planned, here, from the top, you know, so from the resistance that was planned already before, okay, from the breakout here, that was a good breakout. If we don't absorb, bam, it was 64,000 minimum. Went in there into the first red square. From here, bam, get a nice rejection. And so we look for the wave 2. So wave 2 is a pullback to push higher. Next, we look for a retracement to go higher, okay, and so the retracement will reveal all of this. So we've got two swing through the panel failed auction, and next it was simply here the 61886% plus the value low and the bottom of the higher time frame range. So we've got, well, for the moment, a bit of a front run of this. It's okay, to be honest with you. I was not here to check out the data, but I think it was good. Well, I'm not going to check this now, but I think it was good if we did go to bounce. And so yeah, that's pretty cool. So now, well, if we break this, okay, this is still the support as it's untapped at the moment. We've got a front run for now. It's valid. Okay, this is something that can happen. But if we go below here, so this is the first support, really. Before this, I'm not looking really for a long. If we start breaking this zone of support, the only one really, well, I'm more likely looking for a new low to be made. And so if we make a new low, we can look, of course, here for a swing through pan or a failed auction of this bottom. And if there is none, as always, we can look for the next target. The next target is really coming around 52,000, okay, down to 50,000 here, so to speak, the uptrend path control plus the monthly negative path control and the weekly level here, down to the lows right here for a possible swing through pan or a failed auction as always. If we start breaking this, okay, this bottom there, these bottoms here with no swing through pan or failed auction as always, we can look for a drop down to 43,000 minimum. And if we invalidate the bullish configuration, Well, I'm not saying that we're going to go there, but we can look really for, well, below the previous low we have done. So yeah, well, I'm not going to cover this now, but we can look for 13,000 first, 14. But anyways, not gonna cover that low for the moment. So here, we are done with Bitcoin for the levels. Okay, so let's go on the wave now, I think. Yeah, we'll be talking about something next with some FIP times. So the waves, just gonna delete this, and there you go. Let's go on the waves. So on the waves, well, nothing to update, to be honest. I mean, everything is, I mean, since the last Bitcoin update, I can't remember on YouTube, what was the last update? 8 days. What was the update? Just so, okay, yes, so it was looking for the 5 waves, nice. Okay, yips, so I was looking for these 5 waves here, so 1, 2, 3, or 5. After you have some 5 waves, well, you look simply for a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2 retracement. So what was really on the Discord server, you can see here, so wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, going to the MC extension, retrace those simply the tops there, and so from here, get a nice pullback. So we've got this nice pullback next, and so we've got all the targets planned. And so we've got the pullback. That's pretty cool. Here we've got some 5 waves down, so I'm taking this as 5 waves personally. I don't have the exact smaller wave count. I'm not going to spend too much time on this. We've got some 5 waves at the end, so it will be 5 waves before. That will do the drop for me. We, as always, have 73% chance to retrace between the 50, 618, 66%. That is the buy zone really of the wave 2. Okay, the first target, if you want to divide the buys really, it's this. Okay, you have like 25% buy of your whole position. You have then a 50% because you have more chance to go in there, and then you have another 25%, for example. So 25, 25, 50% of this field, 100% of course. And yeah, but normally you feel the biggest position in there because you have 73% chance to bounce from here. That is pretty big, not gonna lie. So ABC zigzag, if this is done, just gonna move this back like this, perfect. And yeah, so if we have done the bottom, well, now we can look simply for, if we have of course to be bullish, for this wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. Now, something I want you to be aware of before to continue really on the for higher prices is so that on the 4 hours time frame, it's still absolutely 100% valid. Okay, on the 8 hours, on the 12 hours, on whatever time frame you want, really it's valid. But if you start going, for example, on the weekly time frame, well, I think you can see it here, the wave 4 is breaking the wave to bottom. Normally, this is classed as an invalidation. Now, personally, as the smaller wave for the moment is still following, for example, here the daily time frame is still okay on the lower time frame. On the lower time frame here, for example, I mean, lower time frame, daily time frame is not really lower time frame, but for example, here the wave 2, okay, is not breaking yet the wave 1 route. So as soon as this is not happening, I'm gonna take the case that the weekly time frame is wrong, and this is, well, still okay for higher prices. Now, if we start to invalidate, of course, this lower time frame configuration, yes, of course, this is not valid anymore. I'm going to take the case that the RSI is right, so we have to look for something else. But for now, if the lower time frame is still valid, I'm going to stay with this. Okay. So, yeah, so wave 1, wave 2 retracement. Keep an eye still on the order flow, yes, of course, but on the RSI here, so we don't break the wave 1 route really. Here we've got so a possible leading. We've got so the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That brings us with a wave 1, 2, 3, or as always an ABC zigzag to the upside. But if we have to be bullish like this, well, we can look for a 1, 2 for an impulse here really. So in that case, you can pull, by the way, to find the targets of this impulsive here, the white waves. You can pull simply the extension tool, so from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom. This is not the bottom, or this is the bottom. Okay, this was the bottom. So bam, and so from here we can move this a little more on the right, well, even more by the way. Perfect. 1618 is the top really, I mean the all-time high, so we can look really for a wave 3 if we have to do something like this. That will go for the, well, 74,500 minimum, because normally we have more chance to reach this 1618 here minimum with a wave 3. If we push high, we have the 200% to 618, 3618, and the 423.16. So of course we can push a lot higher than this. Now let's stay with the most common targets, and I'll be super bullish, okay, and stay realistic and stop with the 161. So from here, in that case, we have done a regular wave 2, so regular wave 4, so 38.2 days. If the wave 3 stop at a 1618, the 120 extension of the wave 3, so 38.3 retracement, and then we can look for a 120 extension really of the wave 5 days, the 200% of the wave 3, if the wave 3 is 1618. Hope you got everything. So yeah, this is a most common impulse really to the upside, which will bring us around 77,800 to 78,000 really. Yeah, if we do again the most common impulsive to the upside, if we retrace a little more here, it's gonna lower this, and again we can push a lot harder an extension all of this really. But if we do the most common impulsive to the upside, this will be the impulsive. So in that case, I'm gonna remove this one. No, I'm gonna keep it by the way, like that, and so we're just gonna remove this one, the 0 here. Perfect. So this is in case we have to be bullish, of course. In case we have to be bullish, this was already planned. Yes, so we have the targets there. That matches against here with the 120 extension. Okay, if we do the most common impulsive, it matches with the bigger wave 5. So let's pick this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bigger wave 5, 100%. If we push hard on this, we have simply here the 1618, and then we have the 2618 here around 100,000 plus really. Okay, so yeah, in any case we have the above targets. Now yeah, these are the smaller wave really we can look for. In that case, here we have of course a wave 1, 2, well, not well placed, 3, 4, 5. So we should do something pretty big here in that case to the upside. And normally within 2 days, because we said we have some FIP times, I'm gonna show you this next. But yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this should complete normally the wave 3. And so yeah, that's it really. Okay, for the bullish configuration. Now, what is the wave count if we have to be bearish from here? Well, I'm not sure I'm going to take a wave 4 anymore if we make one more new low, to be honest, but I'm going to take simply here, so we have a WXY first. We have been able to plan, you know, the exact 123 here to the bottom. On the bottom here, I mean, that was the bottom, so this is pretty cool. But I'm going to take simply here a WXY, X, and, oops. So W, X, Y, X wave, and a Z wave. So I think you already know what I'm looking for here. That will be simply not a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, but simply an ABC zigzag to the upside. This. Wait, let me just remove some few stuff there so we can class the scenarios. Lower time frame, what is this? Yeah, but it's okay. No, medium time frame 1. Yes, so this will be, this can be removed now. Yes, there you go. And so what is this? All right. Well, that'll be for the bullish. There you go. All right. So the bearish configuration. Let me just go a bit of on a bigger time frame. WXY. No, here X and Z. There you go. Nice. So it will be simply here, so a longer wavefall. Okay, a longer wavefall like this. Gonna hide that for the moment. So WXY, X and Z, and so of course in the X wave you cannot get an impulsive like this. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You cannot of course get this. So what will be the pattern here if you get a 5 waves correction? 5 waves. Okay, instead of a wave 3, it will be simply here an ABC zigzag. These are the exact same small waves. So A, B, and C. So this will be the bearish pattern really. Okay. And so yeah, next, of course, if you want to find the target of the Z-wave, you just pull the extension tool from the W root down to the W bottom, and the third click will go on the second X-wave top. From here you add the correction targets, and there you go, MC extension 100%, 123, 1618, and the maximum target and the 200% validation really of the pattern. So this will be the bearish configuration. If we really have to retrace from here and be bearish, but yeah, that will be better to make one more push to the upside here, to be honest, because I mean, well, to be done like that, normally you have some 5 waves, so it will be more likely in that case with an ABC flat ABC, but I don't like personally, I mean, the shape is terrible, so this will be a little bit better. Okay, for example, we can look for the C wave into the resistance we have planned above, really. This here, by the way. To here, or a failed auction really above into the weekly negative path control. Okay, that will be the best read, but that will be into the two targets really. So now we are done really with waves, so this will be the bearish plan. Okay, that will be the bullish plan. This is what I'm looking for mainly at the moment, to be honest with you. Okay, this is what was planned, so I'm gonna stay with what was planned really. Simple as that. And so yeah, in case, for example, we have to be bearish still and we have to rise from here, so make a longer, well, not so much wave 4 anymore if we do this, but anyways, we can look simply, so instead of a bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, massive 3 or 5 here, we can look simply for a small 3, 4, 5, and there we go, we have done the C. Okay. What is this? Okay, took time frame bearish. That will be, oops. There you go. And so let's add this back. So now I'm going to show you the FIB times really we can look for. Let's move this here and let's move this here. Let's move this back. Perfect. Alright, so the FIB time here, it will be simply this FIB time. So it will be from, I'm just going to remove the MC strat targets. So it's simply from the bottom there to the top here to the bottom there. Okay. I'm taking this simply because the time was really well respected. You can see here we have done a nice 618. I thought it was a little bit better, but anyways. If you pull for the bottom here, you can see here, bam, you have the nice 618 1-to-1 extension. Okay, 1-to-1. So now we can look simply normally more likely for the 1-to-1 really here. That is coming on the 15th of May. Around 6 p.m. UTC plus 2. So yeah, this is the FIB time normally we can look for. And so the thing is, if we really have to be and to respect this FIB time, normally this FIB time should bring us with a new all-time high. Okay, depending on which configuration we are, it depends if we're in the, if this is an ABC, if this is a C wave, we're simply going to retrace from this red square or above, you know, for a failed auction. If now we are bullish, normally it should be the wave 3 top, or a top in any case, and so normally in that case that should bring us around more likely a new all-time high. So we have to rise big and quick. That's the thing. So that's why it looks pretty complex to do, but well, who knows? It's still possible. I'm just gonna come back here. Yeah, so just want you to be aware, of this 1-to-1 FIB time here. So it's a pull from the bottom to the top to the bottom here. 1-to-1 FIB time, and that can bring us with something pretty cool. Okay, because yeah, if we have to respect this, we'll have to rise really, really, really quick. And well, I think we're done really with Bitcoin. Okay, so looking for this mainly. Am I wrong? I don't know. Only time can tell. Maybe I'm wrong. But for now it's following the plan, so there is nothing really to worry, just the weekly time frame invalidation on the RSI. But as soon as for me the lower time frame is following, it's all good. Okay, yep, that's it with Bitcoin. That's it. Just gonna double check here. I didn't check it first, so I'm just gonna check by the way. If the move up is strong. Yes, it's a strong move up. Look at this. Yeah, it's nice increase in open interest with no absorption, so this is classed as strong really. Unless we start to absorb, of course, all the longs on the top, but until this happen, yeah, this is all good. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Massive liquidations right now. Alright, pretty cool. That was a good start here. Nice. So for now it's not so weak. Yeah, unless the longs are getting absorbed really. So let's check out the chat here. Chat is there. Oh, sure. Let me just wait, because wait, just a second. I'm just gonna add the be right back screen because. Yep, there you go. So, where is this? System sound. It's a little slow. All right. If I increase it like this, wait, if I do it like that, it will be too much. Yes, it's too much like that. Alright, now normally it should be better, so let me know if it's better. Normally it should be. It's in the orange on OBS. Normally it should be better. Yeah, sure. Absolutely, I'm gonna check out this. Hello, good morning, Ethereum Solid ID. Yeah, sure. So, FLOKI, PEPE coin, let's start with this. But yeah, just let me know if the sound is better, if you're still there watching. Normally it should be. It's almost in the red now in OBS. That's weird because I didn't change anything and the settings are the same as before. Well, I don't know. Play the sound input. Yeah, normally it should be this. Should be better now. I'm gonna move this on the right so I can see your message if you answer. So I said PEPE coin, right? No, FLOKI first. Well, again, it all depends on Bitcoin. This is bullish or bearish, okay? FLOKI, well, there is nothing to update, to be honest. There is nothing to update. I'm not going to focus too much on the lower time frame here. Just gonna stay on the medium time frame like this. If Bitcoin rise, well, we can look simply for this, right? We can look simply for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, an ending more likely. Okay, that's what I have at the moment. It will be here in that case an A, B, C. And once you've got the wave 3, you retrace for the wave 4, and then you look for the wave 5 really for a new all-time high. If now, for example, we start doing this, a massive increase in price, it means that this was not an ABC zigzag. I mean, this was some sideways in that case. Well, this is what the fuck, but in that case, this is a wave 1, 2, 3 or 5 for a bigger impulsive really to the upside. Okay. But yeah, unless we really start breaking above and with a crazy extension and crazy push up here, I'm taking this. So more likely here an ABC zigzag, ABC. Sorry, in the wave 3 here. Yeah, but I want to see Bitcoin bullish, of course, for this to happen. Otherwise, if Bitcoin, for example, start to turn massively bearish, make a new low, and just invalidate all the bullish configurations, it's gonna follow, of course, and so we can take simply the bearish plan we have planned normally. Yeah, that is simply a double EXY, X and Z really. Okay, so double EXY, X and Z, and so we already have the targets below. But yeah, if Bitcoin is still bullish, we can look for this. Simple as that really. Okay, so no big change really on this one. PEPE coin, it's almost the same, I think. What a lovely rise from the first target, 55%. Yes, this is absolutely lovely. In 5 days. Yeah, lovely. Just gonna delete this. This can be removed too. PEPE coin. Well, it's the same on that one, to be honest with you. It's exactly the same. Where is this? There. So you've got the wave 2. I'll like the wave 3 a little later. the wave 4 next, and then the wave 5 like this. That will finish the wave 5. So simply an ending really, okay, into the wave 5. Yeah, if we start breaking again above like this and do a massive increase in price, well, it means again that this right here, the first rise, the first increase in price, this was not an ABC zigzag, but I mean, I can clearly count here a triple wave and not 5, so normally it should be an ABC zigzag, but if, for example, I'm wrong and this is 5 waves, I mean, well, you know, sometimes the waves are pretty weird, normally you should not, but if these are 5 waves, in that case, this is a wave 1, 2 for an impulsive next, so this will be another wave 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, and then bam, 3, 4, 5. So this is something I'm going to take, but only if I see the massive increase in price coming. Otherwise, I'm going to stay focused on this. And again, if we don't manage to do the 5 waves, well, it's simply a longer triple wave like this, so WXY with an ABC zigzag. Okay, so normally, no, I don't have this here, but I will be simply here, so a WXY. So to make a longer wave for, not sure to be honest, but I will be simply here, so it was a WXY, so to make a longer WXY simply to the downside. As simple as that, really. Okay, but yeah, until Bitcoin is not really bearish, we can look for an ending like this. Yep. Yeah, that this was PEPE and FLOKI, so not crazy update on this, but well, that's what we can look for, right? Ethereum. Well, he places on 5 ways here. Yep, more like this. It's a crazy small wave, 4-5, but well. Prefer like that. Well, no real big difference in any case. Is it still valid here? 1, 2, yes. Well, same as Bitcoin, to be honest. Bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gonna add some pink waves. Normally we don't have that here. So we're looking for this, unless again Bitcoin is really bearish. And if we again have to be bearish, well, simply A, B, C, and so that will be simply a WXY, X and Z as always. So W, X, Y, X with an ABC zigzag, and then a Z here. White. There you go. But otherwise we can look for this. For now, let's go with this small one. Again, Ethereum rise really big when it's rising compared to Bitcoin. So yeah. No absorption, no demand yet. So not bearish yet. Yeah, have some few demand coming in right now, but why is it? Okay. Yep. Yeah, so this is Ethereum really, what we can look for, unless of course Bitcoin start to turn massively bearish. But yeah, until this happens, we can look for that really. Okay, with the wave 5 next. Yeah, that's it. We'll need to update these levels here for every chart really, because we've got a new month. I didn't updated all of them. So this one, is done. Solana and Cardano. Alright, so Solana, we did got the new low. Well, yeah, so we've got a double EXY XNZ here. Cool. Let's remove this. Bam. Double EXY X and Z. And so now again, if we have to be bullish, well, these are some 5 waves to bam. Wave 4 is in. If I can catch this and place this, good. And so now wave 1, wave 2, bam, 3, 4, 5 really for this wave 5. And of course, because we're really talking about a bigger wave here, so if we have to be bearish, we can still look for an ABC zigzag really. So A, B, C, and so will be simply for a bigger W, X1, so a longer wave fall. Okay, but again, I want to see Bitcoin bearish for this to happen. Otherwise, impulsive here to the upside. Yeah, so well, this is Solana really, nothing more to add on this. Just gonna reduce this like that. And so we've got a bounce from the M6 extension really, not perfectly well respected, but well. And if we drop directly from here, well, it means that these 5 waves are not for a wave 1, 2 or an ABC. It's simply for a C wave of an ABC flat into the X wave, second X wave, and we continue next for the Z wave down. Okay, just so you're ready for it if we have to do it, and you know what to take. But yeah, this is Solana really, and the other one was Cardano. It's not in there, so it should be here. There you go. What was the plan on this? The first Cardano. Yeah, so it was for the wave 5. I was looking for a little lower. For now we don't. So we'll end up with a truncated wave 5 in that case. Well, more likely an ABC zigzag here, right? Look, 5 waves, correction, 5 waves. So well, for now I'm gonna look for an ending into the wave 5. But the thing is, if Bitcoin is really bullish, normally it will follow Bitcoin, so it will really rise big. But yeah, I'm gonna take this as a wave 1. Maybe a bit of a rise for the wave 2. Okay, ABC for example. 3, 4, 5, like that. Because this is not looking like 5 waves, to be honest. Yeah, looks better like this. Good. So yeah, Cardano, I'm gonna take this for the moment. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. And if we rise still from here, well, that was simply truncated, right? Truncated wave 5 into the MC extension. So from here we'll get a nice reversal, but As we don't have 5 ways into the wave 5. I will stay with this for the I will stay with this for the moment. Yeah. So do you have any other requests for me to check at some coins? That'll be the best. But I mean, yeah, I mean, for this, I'm coming back on Bitcoin, but I mean, this is a 20% rise within 2 days. I mean, this is absolutely crazy if we do this. Yeah, this is absolutely crazy if we do this. Absolutely crazy. Well, maybe not the very, very, very top, but I mean, yeah, one top. In any case, that'll be lovely. Oops. Yeah, we definitely have some. Yeah, starting from this top, we have some good flip timers, to be honest. That'd be lovely to go in there and get something. Like, I mean, if we really do this in 2 days, I mean, this is absolutely crazy. This is absolutely insane. But this is a possibility. I'm not saying we're going to do it, but there is something possible. Around the 161A of the wave 3, really. For a possible new all-time high. And if we don't, well, yeah, the first target is really coming around this 1-to-1 extension. Around this top there for a possible, you know, swing for pound of illusion above. Well, yeah, anyways, this was just Bitcoin really quick, just wanted to double check something. Maybe FET and AGIX, please, and I think someone else get. Oh, yeah, okay. So FET or AGIX took. There. Alright, well, well, yeah, if Bitcoin is bullish, this is this was the bottom, really. Wait, we don't have 5 ways in the... Alright. So just double checking something here. Well, yeah, if Bitcoin is bullish, really, we can look for the wave 5 already, so impulsive ending. Okay, in any case, this is a buy zone, really, so there is nothing to worry as soon as we don't break this and don't lose this target, really. For now, it's still holding on the weekly time frame, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, the plan remains the same, to be honest with you. I'm not doing so much lower time frame for these assets because I'm not trading these. Just spots, really, so it's announced for me to do this, and I'm just checking what Bitcoin is doing, really. So if Bitcoin is bullish, it's gonna push higher. If Bitcoin is not bullish, it's not going to. We can look simply for a new low, and so in that case, maybe for well, so we have a double XY here, X and Z, for example. And otherwise, if we have to be bullish, well, ending, because this again looks more likely like a triple wave, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like PEPE coin, FLOKI, for example. And if you really have to raise massively from here, well, wave 1, wave 2, but for a 3, 4, 5 next, and that was another wave 1, 2, 3, or 5. Same as for FLOKI and PEPE, by the way. Well, FLOKI more likely. Yeah, and so if we have, by the way, to push higher for the wave 5 here, let me just. Oh, and by the way, before we continue, don't forget there is a third contest coming on the 10th of June. Yes, on the 10th of June. This is a $1,000 prize pool. So, well, the previous contest you've got only one winner really. So if he won the $500 prize pool, so the whole prize pool really plus the MC sweatshirts, and yeah, that's pretty cool. But don't forget there is another contest coming up in June, and this time it is a $1,000 prize pool divided, of course, by the 3 winners. And of course, if you're 2, well, this is divided by the 2 winners, and if you're alone, well, this is divided by the by yourself, really. So you win everything. But yeah, this third contest will be really on everything on the new wave course. Okay, so it will be on the 10 listens. You have the number 9 that went out yesterday, and so you will get another one next that will be on the RSI. Yeah, this is only one missing here. So Elliott wave plus the RSI will be the course number 10, and then you have some live chartings here. Sorry. You have 1 week of live charting, another week with a Geyser plan, and then once this is done, well, bam, we move on the contest, and this contest here will last for a week. You will be able to play it only once as always, and yeah, this is a general Elliott wave quiz release on every course, on everything really, on Elliott waves. The reason why I'm doing some live chartings before, to give you some experience really, and not only the theory, and yeah, so you get more chance really to win this prize pool. Yeah, that's it really, just wanted to remind you this. So wave 1 root, wave 1 top, that should be here, and then the wave 4 bottom. Yep, well, let's remove this. Well, we'll need the smaller waves here. We cannot really plan the target for the moment. So now we have a small absorption on the top, but we have no demand yet to reverse this. Yeah, but we start absorbing there, you can see. So into the resistance, you can see here we're into it. So we start to get some few bearish data, but there is not the demand here to reverse this, so it's not classed as bearish, unless we of course start getting the demand to reverse this. So yeah, FET, well, we'll need a smaller wave here, some few more data to plan the target. We cannot really plan this now. So the next one was AGIX. There. Well, the smaller waves are exactly the same almost. Just don't take the high here first, but otherwise the start here you can see is like exactly the same. Look at that. This is. If you take this, oh well, wrong tool. If you take this here, AGIX, you pass this there. You can see here this is the exact same move. I mean, exactly the same. Almost. I think I'm not placing this well, but yeah, there you go. You can see here this is exactly the same. So well, same as for FET, to be honest. Ending or impulsive to the upside, unless Bitcoin is really bearish. But yeah, this is a target really to buy. Okay, if you wish to buy this and look for high prices. Unless of course Bitcoin start to turn really bearish, as I said. And yeah, for the smaller wave, well, again, it looks like more likely here a triple wave up, so more likely an ending I'm gonna take and look for first. Now if I raise big, you know, well, bigger wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, bam, 305 really. If we really have to be massively bullish, but otherwise ending in the wave 5. And then it was W, days. W, let me see here. W. So that was the bullish configuration. That was the bearish configuration. So the bullish one here is definitely not valid anymore. No. So this can be removed. Yes. Bam. Bam. The bullish, and so the bearish here was what? It's a crazy ending we got in there. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will be the ending into the C wave. Now the thing is, to add a Y wave turret, we cannot really pull it from the top to the bottom to the top here, because the first turret is going to be below 0, or really low. So the thing is, we will need first move down, so this, the retracement, and the third move down like this. And so from here we'll be able to pull this extension tool from the top to the bottom to the top, and these targets are going to become the buy zone. I mean, the buy targets really for this, if we want to, I mean, if you wish to buy and reverse, yeah, to look for a reversal next. But yeah, for now it's too early again, we don't have these targets. Yeah, this will be the bearish plan still. The bullish plan will be simply, so this will be a correction really. In that case, that will be a flat or a WXY really into the wave 2. Well, a flat, yeah. So A, B, C, and so now we can remove this right there, we can remove this, bam, and move this on the right. This is really in case we have to be bullish, and this is the only target, by the way. Bullish. Yeah. So now you can look simply, you know, for the extension. So from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 2 bottom, you just have to add the wave 3 targets, and you can get your targets really. So yeah, this was your bullish plan. Again, it's a very new coin, so it's not really following all the time Bitcoin. Okay, now yeah, it was a bit range bound, so it might follow a little more than at the very beginning. So we'll still keep an eye on Bitcoin, to be honest. For example, here Bitcoin is rising, this is rising, so you can see. So yeah, unless Bitcoin is bearish, you can look for this. Now if Bitcoin turn really bearish, well, we switch for this, for example. In that case, there will be a bit of a rise, and bam, come back down, and so we will be able to pull this extension tool to find the targets. And again, if for example here we just get acceptance above and crash, well, in the case, you know, that can be here and a C there for a next wave later. That'll be simply here, so an ABC flat into the A, B, and then C, of course. We can of course look for this, for example, if Bitcoin is not bullish. Okay, but yeah, this will be the bearish plan, and this will be the bullish configuration if we push above really. And if Bitcoin is directly bearish, well, we can take this, but we need some more data here to plan some targets below. Of course, we can use the levels and everything, but Well, we don't have this. Oh, we do have this on Bybit, by the way, but we yeah, well, we don't have so much data on this. So yeah, we'll need some few extensions, some few more data here to plan some targets. But yeah, just pin me when we get some more data. We're gonna plan this if we have to go more down from here. So yeah, bearish, bullish. For now, we can look for the bullish unless Bitcoin is really bearish. I mean, turns really bearish. Okay. Yeah, this is the plan really. This is done. So it was on the Discord server. Okay, yeah. Oh yes, by the way, NG. Gonna do this. Do full count. With name it like that. W, it's done. Oops. React. Bum. So thanks mate for letting me know. Didn't notice. Yep. So this one I will have to do this. Oh. Do I hold this? I don't know. I'll have to check this. So if I hold, I'm gonna check this. SI, okay. So the thing is, if you hold, for example, AGIX, FED or OCN, do you have to do anything or? ASI, okay. Well, I will keep an eye on this because these three coins are pretty cool, to be honest. Playing some nice rise most of the time. Yep. So yeah, let me know if you have some more requests. By the way, I see a message on the right, but I can't see it here. Yeah, there you go. Don't know why it was not in there, but well, I don't know. So I missed some message before, or no? So JASMY, sure. Sorry, mate. I don't know why I wasn't able to see your message. Because I have the chat here in OBS. In OBS, I saw your message, but as I'm not checking OBS a lot, so JASMY. I've got some files up here too. I'm not gonna do this like that. Perfect. When below here, yeah. This last move down is like cardinal, for example. Like 5 waves correction, 5 waves. But the thing is, if this is a Y wave, well, that will be in that case a double EXY. Can we finish a Y wave with a double EXY? The answer is no. WXY. Well, not gonna bother so much with the smaller wave count. Again, bullish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We look for the wave 5. Okay. And if we have to be bearish, well, bam. As always, A, B, C zigzag. And that will be, in that case, for that one, more likely for a longer Y wave. With with, for example, an ABC flat or a triangle or whatever, really, or the correction than a double XY. Yeah. So yeah, that's the count really for this. Add this back, perfect. Yeah. Just gonna add the targets very quick for the wave 5. So wave 1 root as always, wave 1 top, and the wave 4 bottom. That is that's a good question. There. And now wave 5, 350. Well, it's not useful again. So yeah, we'll need a smaller wave. So for example, if this is a wave 1, 2 and the bottom is in here, we can look for an extension tool like this, and we can look for the wave 3 targets. And so normally with the wave 3, we shall go here minimum to 0.025, yeah, then retrace 38.2, go for the 120 extension, so just a new all-time high really. By the way, not a new all-time high, a new yearly all-time high. Yeah, there you go. This is the plan. Yep, this is not really bearish still. Not yet. RNDR. Normally it will be in here. Okay. Wait, what was the last update? Is it in here? Oh yeah. It was a long time ago. I added a timer. No. Alright. So it was either a wave 5, either a wave 2. Okay. Check quickly. Okay. Yeah. Well, it's like Bitcoin, okay? The weekly RSI is not valid anymore, but the lower time frame is still holding the line. So for now, I'm gonna stay with this, and then, unless again Bitcoin is bearish. So there will be simply here, so wave 1, 2, and then bam, 3, 4, 5. Well, to finish this wave 5, to make this wave 3 next, like this, so we can remove. Yeah, we can remove this. Bam. This, and if we have to still be bearish, for example with Bitcoin bearish, we can look for the bigger retracement, because the thing is, if we have to be in such a big wave 1, 2, I mean, to make something small like that in terms of time, I'm talking about, because the price is good otherwise, well, it's not the most common to do, so we can look in that case for an ABC zigzag here, not a wave 1, 2, 3, or 5, so A, B, C, 5 waves correction, 5 waves, and so from here we can look simply for a bigger and longer, for example here, W, X, and Y. But again, it all depends on Bitcoin really. If Bitcoin is still bullish, we can take this, and as Bitcoin for the moment is bullish, is not really bearish yet, we can look for this. Okay, as simple as that. And we already planned the targets here. It's pretty cool. Look at that. So we've got this 12s, if I can see better, $12-13. If we start breaking $12-13, we can look simply for $16 really. These are the two targets we can look for the wave 5. They will be really for a new all-time high first. Yes. Normally, just gonna double check this, but normally it's supposed to be a new all-time high, yes. So a new all-time high really. Okay, otherwise we can look for, well, another new all-time high really, but a bit higher than this. So just a new all-time high or a lot higher, around $16-17 really. Yeah, that is a plan really for that one. But yeah, the target for the wave 4 got really well respected. Yeah. And for the wave 2 in any case, so this is pretty cool. Congrats if you bought this. We've got a nice 81% rise. This is pretty cool. Yeah, this is RNDR. I always want to say RDNR. I don't know why, but it's RNDR. Tin coin. Have no idea what is that one. Alts. Do I have that one? No. Tin coin. You're sure it's not ton? TON. Okay. Well, these are some 5 ways, right? So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and the wave 5. So if these are some 5 waves, this can be... Why? Because we're doing the retest now with absorption. With some longs. Yeah. Just watch out here what we're doing if we absorb the short or not, but if we don't, that can bring us with a short trade here. So 1, 2, 3, or 5. In that case, on the higher time frame, we have so either an A, B, C, either a bigger wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. There you go. This is only spot or... Yeah, spot. Yeah, so this will be the... the problem is it's really complex to plan some targets on this. Let me just do the levels really quick. Monthly... Monthly... This is hit, so we don't... don't know why I'm pressing Control, but I don't want to duplicate. There you go. Is the volume working on this? Yes. Perfect. Bam. I'm gonna stay on the lock scale to be honest on that one because I mean the thing is we just can't see anything otherwise. I mean, look at this. This is terrible. So I'm gonna go on the lock scale. Bam. Let's move this a little more on the right. Yeah, we definitely have a nice target there. It would be lovely to go down here. So this value, again, I don't know if the volume is well respected on this. But we have definitely here, so this target first of all, this is a kind of big target now. No, that's fine. So we have this plus next, so we have a swing flip and really, or a failure of this bottom there, that is the next target. Bam. SFPs. Wait, this was the volume. Still not. There we go, and then we have all of this. Higher time frame levels. Targets. Fibs. There we go, better now. And if we really start breaking this, bam, we can look for, well, much lower than this, to be honest, around the lows here. But are we going to go that down? It depends if Bitcoin crash or not. Yeah, these will be the targets really. Otherwise, here of course we have some few support before that. Oh. Well. Do I have any support in between there? Now we have nothing. Well, yeah, so these will be the targets really if we have to go really more down. Well, to be honest with you, it will be really weird to just bounce like crazy now. To make something a little longer, for example, a little longer like this will be good, and then come back up, because we're really talking about something like 2 years, I think. Yeah. Oh no, by the way. Well, there'll be still something good, to be honest. Make something a little longer before to rise more, because that will be really quick otherwise for a wave 2 here. Still okay, to be honest, but still quick. And the thing is, there is no real big target there. The big target really come below here, and if you add the 50%, yeah, more of this. If we're in a wave 2, we have as always 73% chance to retrace between the 56.1 and 86%. So let me just do something here really quick. I think this won't help a lot. Yeah, no, this is not helping at all. This is way too low. Yeah, okay, on the log scale it's fine. Oh, the thing is now we already did bounce it from the target, so that's why I'm not planning here. I'm planning a lower. Because right now we do have some possible 5 ways up, to be honest. So like a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a bigger wave A, B, C, or 1, 2, 3, or 5 really to the upside. So possibly the start really. Yeah. Yeah, possible ABC. Yeah. ABC. Yeah, took. Or impulsive really here. But in any case, if we go lower, if we go more down from here, you can look for this really. I mean, again, you do whatever you want really, and there is no any financial advice, as always. Yeah, that is a plan really. Low time frame waves. Just gonna rename this high time. Oops. Oh, jeez. There you go. Nice. So yeah, this is 10. But yeah, we're already into it. I mean, the thing is, we already got the triple wave down, so we already got this extension here reached. So now the thing is, are we going to do a bigger triple wave or not? Well, the thing is, only time can tell. It depends if we do an ABC. If we do an ABC, yes, we're going to make a bigger correction down. Now, if this is a 5 ways correction, 5 ways not for an ABC, but for a 1, 2, 3, to next continue, and make then a wave 4 and 5, not only an ABC. There is an ABC, but this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Well, in that case, we're going to push her a lot for the C wave of this higher time frame C, all the way through here. So yeah, only time really can confirm this. But we wanted to plan if we have to go more down here, that's why there is a terrace below. So yeah, I don't know if you have some more requests really. Short reaction on the 1 minute Bitcoin. Yes. But is it getting absorbed right now? Because we already got it before the reaction, as I said, but I mean before on the 10-second chart. It all depends now if this is getting absorbed on the lows. And I will give it a bit more time, for example, here. Is it okay, by the way? Well, yeah. Absorption on the highs. Yeah, I will just leave it a bit more time to see if we manage to hold this or not. This small absorption down here on the lows. Because if we manage to hold this, oops, well, the shorts that came in gonna get absorbed and well, squeezed really. So I will wait a bit, see if we manage to remove this absorption or not. If we don't, I mean, if we remove the absorption, well, there is of course a short trade, yes, because we're at resistance. There are some bearish data. So yes, of course, this is a short trade. But yeah, the bearish absorption it will be cool to remove this. By the way, do we have a good low here? I can't remember. Yes, and we have some poor highs all the way up. Oh, okay. So this, yeah, we have some poor highs here all the way up. It will be lovely to go and take this. That's why to go above will be nice, not gonna lie. Yeah. For now, still holding, you can see. So yeah, I don't know if you want me to check some more coins. If you want, let me know in the chat. Otherwise, we're good, I think, for today. Really, we'll have planned some nice stuff on Bitcoin, to be honest. Yep. And we're done with the alts, most of them. Well, as I did, I don't know if I'm going to do a video today. I will see. I will do that one. Already I did the, well, not in here, but in here, already I did the ENG. So there is a chat. If there is nothing, we can stop. So, oh, well, there is a lot of TNX, ING, GUMMY, CKB. So TNX. This one is done, is on MEXC, so we can do this. Are you sure about that, mate? TNX. Because if that's a stock, I'm not doing stock. Yeah, I don't find it, mate. ING is there. ING. Where is this? Oh, can share. Alright, cool. ING. What was the wave for this? So wave 4. Well, oh yeah, okay. Yeah, so not gonna cover the higher time frame. This was done already in the last update. So this was the count on the top. And that was for the wave 4. So this can be removed, this can be removed. Well, oh, this by the way. The chart is fucking on that one. Is Coinbase better? Alright, sorry. So here, let's go on the 1 hour. WXY, why you place it this as 5 waves? I don't know why you place this as 5 waves. Well, this looks more like a WXY, so I'm gonna add this here. Sorry, I'm switching between the Binance and Coinbase price between the charts. Sorry if it's moving a lot, but I need to see where are the tops and bottoms. WXY, bam. Right. This can be removed, and the thing is now, well, again, it depends of Bitcoin, but oops, 3, 4, 5, 2, like this. Or again, if we have to be bearish, well, A, B, C. This is really in case we really see Bitcoin being bullish. So I guess the shorts got still absorbed down here, yeah. That's why it's, because the thing is, you know, the reason why you have to remain a bit more patient here, so maybe now we're going to do it, but now we did get a bit of a rise, as this was classed as a strong move up. have the possibility of moving a lot higher. That's why you need to not be too aggressive here. Okay, this is still the same at the moment. We still need to remove this absorption on the lows. If we do so, that's a short trade of course, but for now we are still holding the absorption on the lows. And I was unable to remove that. So now it's rising. That's why you never be too aggressive when you're in such strong uptrend like this. It's better to not be too aggressive. Yeah, well, ABC zigzag or impulsive here to the upside. If we move up with the impulse, that will be simply here for this one here. Okay, so the wave 5 really, wave 4, then the wave 5 will be simply so leading. Okay, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really. And if we push a lot higher than this, it's simply, you know, the massive mega bullish plan. So wave 1, wave 2, and then yeah. This was it. This, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 1, wave 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, and massive increase in price. But again, Bitcoin should be massively bullish for this in that case. So yeah, that is a plan really. More likely ABC zigzag or impulse if you're to the upside. If ABC zigzag, it's very simple. It's simply a longer, hide this higher time frame waves. Simply a longer W, X, Y really. That's it. As simple as that. Okay, and with the levels, well, we have still the same resistance above. Normally I posted everything, the number on this under it, so I don't forget to check this. ING. Yeah, and support are there, so yeah, everything is planned really. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So ING is done. GUMMY, that one is already high, I think. Wait, I don't have this. Yes. Alright, no. Weird. This. What the fuck? What? But. Wait, it's baguette or. Why the fuck when I click it? Okay, well. Weird. What is this? When was this? 8 May. This can be removed. April. Okay. 24. 29. Alright, so this is a 1. Let's go on the log scale because with this big scam wick here, I mean, not really scam wick, but anyways. Well, if we don't count the wick here, it can be classed as scam wick, as this was the beginning. Yeah, I mean, this is impossible to count, right? Look at this. There's no. Like we go below, we open above, no, what the fuck is this? Well, let's take the case that this is a scam wick. So it means that we have in that case a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got some 5 waves here. So wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so if you've got some 5 waves here, well, you have in that case a wave minor white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it too high? No, it's fine. 3, 4, 5, like this. Or as always, if we have to be bearish, an A, B, C, so just an increase in price with 5 waves, and then a nice reversal, really. Okay, but yeah, so A, B, C, zigzag or impulsive, if you have to be bullish impulsive. We cannot really trust the RS on this because the open is just fucking everything, but well, right now as always, we'll have 73% chance to bounce from the 56.86%. If we go below, that will be simply the 76 really. Okay, and if we start losing this, be a bit careful. This is not looking so good anymore, to be honest. Now if we pull the extension tool like this, these are the targets really. Oops, that's maybe a little bit too much. What? Okay, it's because it's in the, it's not in SRT, it's in QWERTY. So 150. Nice. Let's move it like this, and well, let's remove that. So this first, and then this. Not well placed at all, but anyways, like that. Nice. Yeah, these are the targets really. So for the B, or for the wave 2, and so these are really the targets of the triple wave in there. So you have a well, I guess a WXY here, WXY. These are the Y targets, but these are the wave 2 targets. As these are the targets of the correction into the wave 2. So this correction gives also the wave 2 targets really. And so once we're going to be done, if we have to be done with this configuration with the bottom here, well, next we should start here with some 5 waves impulsive to the upside. So make a wave as always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 waves are simply going to form a bigger wave 1, bigger wave 2, and bam, then next 3, 4, 5. We either do some 5 waves like this to make another bigger wave 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, and these 5 waves will bring us with the target for the wave 3, or the C wave, and the white one here, okay, this, or, well, the wave 3 here, okay. Now, of course, we can rise big with only this wave 1, 2, but massive extension here, 3 or 5, we can do this, for example, and never do the bigger wave 1, 2. So yeah, we'll see really, but we need these small 5 waves first of all to make something bigger, and for now, well, we don't have anything. So we need to remain patient, really. But yeah, this is a plan really for that one. Just gonna add all of this into the waves folder. So what's going on right now? It's very sunny. It should be raining normally today. Yeah, weird. Anyways, I will take it. So Yumi, what if it Gummy, and then CKB, A, B, C, CKB. Does it looks like 5 waves first? Well, not really, to be honest. CKB. Well, still looking for the wave 4, you know, as soon as we don't get Bitcoin massively bearish. It's still the same target, really. Okay, the smaller wave here, well, this for me is more a triple wave, so normally a correction to go more down, so maybe something to do like just one more new low. But again, we can do, for example, a bigger WXY to make a longer double EXY like this, and then from here go high, because the thing is we're really in some high time frame waves now, so we can take some more time, and maybe we're going to make something a little bigger here. We can rise, but as a start here is looking more like a correction. I would not be surprised to make something like that, like a bigger triple wave, and then bam, finish the wave 4 and then come back up for the wave 5. Again, it depends on Bitcoin. It depends on Bitcoin really. But yeah, this is what I'm looking for mainly at the moment. In any case, you know, this is a buy zone, so if Bitcoin is bullish from here, there's no reason really to worry. And if Bitcoin starts to turn really bearish, well, no wave for anymore. That was a C wave for an ABC zigzag, and so after who knows what's going to happen, right? We can do W, X and Y, as we can just massively crash and make one more new low to make a bigger triple wave like this. So it's going to be really Bitcoin dependent really. So yeah, the wave 4, not gonna jump too much into the small waves. I'm gonna stay on the medium time frame for this. I'm gonna just follow Bitcoin really. That's it. My pleasure, mate. GARI. And then 1 hour and 30 minutes here is gonna be good for today. GARI. No, it's not in here, so let's see. Yeah, there you go. Oh. Well, yeah, we've got a nice rise in the target there. Just gonna move this a little more on the right so we can see a bit better. But wait, we'll be in here, GARI. In April. Yeah, nice. And so 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've got the 5 waves down here. We've got the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We went into the 1-to-1 extension of the wave 5. And well, we've got a nice increase in price, I'm not going to lie. This was oh jeez. Well, yeah, 100%. So this target there, this is pretty perfect. Now this can be removed. So is the wave 2 bottom in? Well, we do have some 5 waves up here, to be honest. So again, it will be Bitcoin dependent for me. What is this? This can be removed. What is this? We don't care. Oh. Oh yeah, remember this one. The very complex chart here. So the thing is, well, if this is a double EXY, like that, the thing is we cannot get a double EXY here because we're in a Y wave. So we have to make something bigger, such as a triangle, A, B, C, D, E, such as a flat, so A, B, C flat, or a WXY X and Z, for example. So make just, for example, an ABC zigzag and come back down. But in any case, here we do have some 5 ways up. So I will again take more the following waves: A, B, C. But again, the rise, well, will come only again. Bitcoin is really bullish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really have to be bullish from here. Otherwise, ABC. Okay, I'm gonna take the ABC first because of the context here. Just gonna reduce this a bit. But yeah, that's pretty cool. We've got a nice 100% increase in price from the first target there below. That's pretty cool. I mean, first target. We've got some other target planned below before that, if I'm not mistaken. That's pretty cool. And do we have any GARI on Bybit? No. So we sadly cannot get the levels. I mean, we can get some levels, but the best of the best are from Bybit levels. Yeah. Well, next target really, if we get an increase in price from here, will be simply so all the tops there really. Okay, to take some few highs there, and if there is nothing of this, we can look for the next top there. As simple as that really. And if we have to go lower from here, we've got the ABC, so this now can be removed. What is this? Oof. Wait, okay. Okay. I'm gonna do this. WXY. Yeah. Just in case we have to go lower from here. And so yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is the next target really. If we have to drop from here and be really bearish. Yeah, there you go. This is GARI. Nice. So what Bitcoin is doing. There you go, a new high made. Pretty cool. See, that's why you need to remain a bit patient all the time. You've got some good data, but you got absorption here, and as we're in a very strong uptrend, it's not a good idea to be that aggressive. That's why you will get squeezed if you was trading the where was this, by the way? Wait, it was there normally. Yeah, okay, I'm stupid, it's there. So you got a nice move up here. See, all the shorts came in, squeezed. And so now, well, you took the highs, you remove the absorption, you go where just a little bit above. So now the best is to wait for this to be lost, otherwise it can be a flip to support as always. And you have some few demand coming in, so this is pretty cool, but we need to get acceptance below the levels, because you've got some few short reaction there. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, loads of longs there. Yeah, but yeah, again, you better wait for the support to be lost. Okay, so really getting acceptance below here the TPO level. If we don't, well, this can be, for example, the short here can just move the price back down to flip this into support and then rise again. So we'll get squeezed again if you're a bit too aggressive. So yeah, I'm just gonna check here very quickly. Yeah, we've got some nice liquidations. yeah, removed a nice amount of shorts there. This is pretty cool. Really nice. But you've got some big amount of shorts down here. Well, not that much, to be honest. Well, I guess you've got still, because you've got some nice liquidations here. Alright, so let's see now if we manage to get this or not. This is a process really of the trade, if we have to show here. Oops. Alright. Yeah, by the way, the MC Strat targets, you can find this on the Discord server if you want to. You have all the targets there into the MC Strat targets. You've got so the rejection of the top, really. Okay, those was on the forest, so you get you never get acceptance really above. You come back down, so as always, you'll get stop loss hit because you go way above the wait, because I forgot the $260 stop loss. You go way above, so when you come back below, you take the short trade, you ride this wall move down, because since then we've got a really lovely drop, right? We've got all of this, and so next you've got another MC Strat target with this one, no stop loss here, just go, you get filled, and you go below, but you didn't go stopped out because you didn't got the $260 stop loss, and then you get the 350%, I'm doing the take profit, $350 move, and so you got to take profit one. Right on that top, by the way, it's not a crazy massive move, but again, profit is profit. You've made money. It was on this ride, if I'm mistaken, something pretty small, but still there. So pretty cool. But anyways, if you want to know more about this, you simply have to go and check out the MC Strat channel here, and you can find all the information into the pinned message, so you know how to trade this, and so you have all the targets there, below us, above us, all of this really. And yeah, just so you're aware of it, the blue ones are some MC Strat target but already hit, so it's a lot less stronger, so really be careful with these ones. really be careful, okay? Just want you to be aware of that. But anyways, that's it really for me for today. Just gonna check the chat before it went. Oh, nice. Well, I'm not paying attention, to be honest with you, so much to this token, because I'm already on a lot of assets. Mainly on PEPE coin, to be honest, some other assets too. So, well, yeah, I'm just not so much on the other ones. But yeah, that's pretty cool if they're doing some stuff like that. I don't know what it will be, by the way, the GARI bot, but yeah. Alright, last one, and then I go off. Yeah. Let me see here really quick. QRS T. This is Tia? Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if we've got this since. Nah, we didn't. Because this is what we needed to be bullish. Just one more increase in price. This is not here. Wrong time code here. Yeah, we don't have the 5 waves. Well, the thing is, if Bitcoin is bullish, normally it should follow. So the other thing, if Bitcoin is bullish from here, for example, this can be classed as a flat. So you've got, for example, the wave 1. The wave 1 here, then you have the wave 2, so a little longer here. You have the wave 3 or 5. If, for example, we really have to find something bullish, okay, that will be in that case an ABC flat first. So you have the A, B, C. You continue lower, so this is simply here in that case double EXY. Just gonna make this a little bit bigger, and so you have here in that case a W with an ABC flat, so W, X wave, and you have a Y wave down here. Now to add the turrets of this. That will be okay normally, by the way. Yeah, there you go. So if we really have to be bullish, well, these are the targets really. Okay, oops. This and yeah, next it's not really possible because we are going to break the wave 1 route with a wave 20, so not possible. So this will be the wave count really if we have to be bullish from here. Now if we have to be bearish, again, Bitcoin dependent really. Well, we'll have planned some turrets below, so it will be simply here normally because this is not hit, right? Yeah, this is a front run. So it will still be this target there. If I can move this a little more, let's go 400. No, 500. Well, 600. Yeah, these will be the same turrets really. There you go. So this is always a bullish plan if Bitcoin is bullish. There, bam, bull, oops. Yeah, there you go. And if Bitcoin is bearish, yeah, if this is bearish here too, bullish. Well, that will be an ABC zigzag before in that case, and so you can pull this extension tool. If you really have to crash from here, so to speak, this can be removed. We can keep this. Well, these are the same targets really. Just a little, the 123 here for maybe a bit of a bigger wick or a bigger fail auction here below. But otherwise, yeah, these are the targets really we can look for if we have to go more down. Okay. So we have the bullish plan, so the bearish plan will be simply to here a longer wave to into one of these targets really. Yeah, this is Tia. And this was the last coin for today because already almost 2 hours of live stream. Kinda, I mean, this is okay to be fair because I was not here for a few days. So yeah. I trade. No mate, I not. But I don't know what this is exactly. Like what he's doing. Is it a trading bot or because I prefer to trade by myself personally. But I know, for example, El Polio, the moderator here on the Discord server, is trading a lot with bots, and he's doing nicely. To be honest, he's doing some nice money with this. Good stats. So if you're watching, mate, by the way, maybe you have the GARI bot to try. But personally, no, I'm not using so much the bots. This is not my thing, you know. I know this is moving. I mean, the bots are a big part really of the movement on the markets, but I don't know. I prefer to trust myself. If you can say that. To trade by myself. Yeah, I don't know. This is just my way to trade. But maybe, you know, it's just because I don't have any enough experience with the bots. You know, it's yeah, trading bots. All right. Well, I will talk about this to El Polio. He might be interested. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Thank you, my pleasure, mate. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you enjoy, as always, don't forget to smash a like, to subscribe to the channel, to turn notifications. This is more to stay updated, to subscribe and turn notifications. But well, if you want to, feel free. You're welcome here as always. Let's save Bitcoin. Well, for now we don't. Well, yeah, for now we're still above this this support. So I mean. Just gonna remove some few. No, not that one. This one, please, and done. Just before to end, as always, I always forget, but we have some news today. No, and this week. Tomorrow, yes. Fed, okay. Oh, the fuck. All right. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Sunday. All right. Nice. Sunday. Okay, yeah. Well, Oh, PPI, by the way, this is moving also sometimes in the market. So yeah, 230 UTC plus 2. Whew, have some nice stuff today. So 230 UTC plus 2. We have also 4 UTC plus 2, 4 PM UTC plus 2, by the way, sorry. And well, next is later this week, but we have again some core inflation. This is moving sometime the market, and these are all the same time, so this is perfect. And then we have on Sunday the Fed. All right, so be ready to not get your Sunday night to be on crypto. No, if this is not moving, if the rate is not moving, it's all good. So yeah, pretty cool. Gonna go set some alarm at that time, and yeah, we're done really. So let's see if we manage to get this massive raise here. That will be lovely to get this before Wednesday, 6 PM UTC plus 2. That will be absolutely lovely. Just imagine with this, like in 2 days, really. That'll be insane. That'll be insane. Let's see. Again, I'm not saying we're going to do it. It's just something to be aware of that is absolutely valid and possible here. That's why I'm showing you this. But yeah, don't forget, we have some resistance plan. We trade step by step, level by level, reaction by reaction. Really, for now we have the plan. If we don't manage to break through this below here, there is no reason to show. We can look for higher. It's as simple as that. So yeah, anyways, I wish you all a brilliant day ahead. Take care and By the way, if you have any more requests, feel free to join the Discord server here if you want to stay updated too, and you can post your request into the alt request here. It's all of these channels here are absolutely free except the apprentice section there. That is for apprentice members really. And by the way, if you want to win, to be part really maybe of the winner of the third contest, there is a 100 prize pool contest. So we got 3 contests. The first one that was a $300 prize pool, second one $500. Second one there is only 1 player really in there. So you got congrats to you, mate. You've got the whole prize pool already sent, and you've got an MC sweatshirt, but you already got an MC sweatshirt before because you already won in another giveaway. I don't know what it was exactly, but you already got a sweatshirt, so you're gonna get a cap this time, and it is already on the way. So you've got the money and the cap is on the way, so pretty cool. You've got the whole price point. So next, well, there is another contest, like the $1,000 prize pool. So if you want to learn it waves and just get a chance really to win this this prize pool, this is divided by the 3 winners. For example, here the first winner, the first in the ranking is will win $500, second one $300, and the third one $200. And again, if you're only 2 to play, well, this sometimes happen, you know. Well, you will get the prize pool divided by the 2 winners. Of course, the first place will get more than the second, and if you're alone, well, you win everything. As simple as that. And with it, you have normally an MC sweatshirt plus a cap or something like that. Can't remember exactly. But anyways, yeah, so if you want to play the contest, this is of course for apprentice members only, and this will be a quiz on all the lessons of the new Elliott Wave course. So you will get 10 lessons. You have another lesson coming on Monday next week. That is on the Elliott Wave, the RSI plus the Elliott Waves, and so well, this contest next will come on the 10 of April, what the fuck, no, absolutely not, of June, and this will be a general Elliott Wave quiz, so it will be on everything. You know, the first contest was on the 4 first lessons, right here. You've got a second contest that was on the 3 here, and the last contest will be really on the 10 lessons. So it will be a general Elliott Wave quiz. So make sure to go and learn all the things here, all the lessons. You have the 4 first lessons for absolutely free. Next you have all of these 6 more lessons. The last one is coming next week. But yeah, if you want to learn everything, you have to sign up as apprentice, and this contest is also for apprentice only. Anyways, I'll let you go and check this out. If you want to find this page, it's simply in the home page, new Elliott Wave course, read more, and you have this also into the plan section, your account section here, and anyways, you are a bit everywhere. Anyways, mate, thanks a lot. Well, the thing is, I have my small laptop there. At the moment, the main one is dead. It's dead. I don't know what happened really with it, but so I sent it yesterday, by the way, to where I bought it really. So they just check what's wrong really on it, and so when I get it back and it's fixed, if it's not fully dead, I'm gonna add my face back, because the thing is on that one I don't have in-house USB thing, you know. I don't know what's the name of that, to play. I only have 2, so I just have the microphone and the mouse, and that's it really. And the thing is, I wanted to buy, you know, something to plug more USB cable in there, but I was like, okay, I'm done with computers. I did so many stuff on the main one already. I don't want to to bother anymore with anything with the computer. Just gonna trade, do the plans and everything, and that's it really. So, but maybe I can buy this, you know, to add some more. But yeah, I shall get normally back the main computer soon. So well, it's fine. So yeah, thanks, mate. Thanks, mate. Well, I don't like personally my voice so much, but yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you so much, mate, for your kind words. Take care, you too. Thank you for messages. Thanks for being here as always. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Good to be back and to just 2 seconds. There you go. And to, well, yeah, to show the plan and everything, to be back with you all, because yeah, well, this is what I like also. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Take care as always, and catch you all in the next one. So not tomorrow as always, it's not every day anymore. It's every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and of course, for example, on Tuesday and Thursday, when there are no updates really. I mean, no daily updates. There will be some videos. So maybe I'm gonna do today, but as already updated everything into the daily update, maybe no videos really. It will be only tomorrow. Anyways, thank you all for watching as always. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.